Hey, Blown Away channel viewers, put your hard hats on right now and watch this episode where we change the seals on a SD25 YANMAR sail drive, and we also change one set of bearings. Don't try this at home. Do it on your boat instead.
Bearing is broken. So he's got to pull the bearings out and he's trying to measure
12.1.
How far to push it back in.
Right.
So this is a gear puller and it's got all these little fancy features right there, and Juergen knows how to use it. Oh, look at that.
So you go and pull it, like put it inside here, and once you're there you have to expand it, and then once you're, and then you can like and you have of course different tools like to get on here, like bigger ones or smaller ones. Like this one is exactly fitting inside here.
Y'all, if you find content like this helpful for you, make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit the like button, share these, and we want to hear from you. Ask us if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and let's get back to Juergen and his special techniques.
So this fits right in here, you know. It's not the same diameter, but you can, I mean, like push it inside like 3/4. And then slowly do more or whatever.
Wow.
Yeah.
But not enough, so.
Almost perfect, yeah.
No.
12.2?
Yeah.
So he's got to match it up on the outside of the ring,
Right.
and not have it move, which is very hard.
And normally you don't slam on tools. Oh yeah, close.
Almost?
Almost. I don't know. No, it's good.
Y'all, there's one O-ring here and one O-ring.
Right. Okay. Nothing to dismantle, just the screws. And then you can pull off these, and then you see the seals. Here you see the seals.
Oh yeah.
See, this one is here, right, and here you see the one which is facing inside. Spring.
Oh, that's inside the seal. Right.
Okay, so that's a spring that you don't have to change?
No. You change the whole thing. The new seals come with the same spring.
Okay. Now it's coming. Very good.
First one.
Ladies and gentlemen, the
Okay,
first
so
one.
which okay.
Facing in, and the other one
Same
was
way.
the same way.
Yeah.
Same direction. Where the seals are.
Oh, where there's a groove?
Yeah, where there's a groove. We need to clean this up, and then we have to check.
How can you tell if there's a groove? You can see it?
Yeah, I mean, this is, you can see it's like bare metal.
Yeah.
And this, when we clean it up, there's to be no groove or nothing.
So it just popped out when the camera wasn't going.
Of course. So it's back to back.
And they had two spacers in between them.
Yeah.
And then the other one is facing this way with the spring in there.
Right.
And these are pretty heavy duty. These have like metal inside. No
Metal
wonder they
cage.
cost so much, but you can't, like these seals are, you can't even bend them. So definitely don't want to chink your metal. But yeah,
You
those
see
are
that they're
easy.
in groove, yeah. It's,
Man, those are
Got
so
it.
easy.
And they're the same size?
yeah, the same size.
Oh man, that's,
The whole thing.
oh,
So you
right.
see?
Oh, that's the
Oh,
bigger
wow.
bearing.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
right.
Okay.
And in the back you have the small needle bearing, but this keeps just the thing in place.
Okay.
Is it going in?
Yeah, it's coming.
Good, good. Man, that thing's so tough.
And it's moving.
Oh, okay.
No, just gentle.
Right.
Perfect.
Nice.
Nice job.
Oh, it's nice to
Yeah.
get it off the boat, put it to use.
Anything all right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Like this.
Yeah, that's
Yes,
what it
sir.
looked like to me.
And it's not too bad, huh?
Oh, so it's flush with the outside, right? How tight does it say to get it?
I mean, I make it with common sense. You look there quite loose, right?
Yeah, yeah.
That's fascinating. He's on there.
All right, so he's using old oil to lube up the.
Or you could just sleep on.
When you have to like get the
Straight in.
right straight.